Welcome back to our North Georgia mountain home. This weekend we're transforming the view of the upper loft area into something a bit more modern. With this remodel, we're adding a new wire railing, changing out the final ceiling fan, and of course a fresh coat of paint for a sharp contrast. Surely that's not a surprise though. We hope you enjoy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo! Okay, it's game time.
We were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be.
Hey, welcome back. So we were about to start on our next project, but we forgot one crucial tool that we'll need. We're going to be modernizing the view looking out from the living room up to the loft area. But like I said, we need one more tool that I'm going to have to pick up. So I'm going to run over to the post office real quick and pick that up and come along. Hey, go, go, go. It's here!
Woohoo! Hey. Hello! Welcome! Okay, let's see what we got. Let's hope this is the right one. Oh,
Yay!
there we go.
Also, if you haven't noticed, things are changing. We'll get to that in a second. What'd you get, though?
Got us a reciprocating saw.
Because why?
Because we're gonna need it to chop out those spindles.
We're modernizing today.
There we go. Look at that. I think that's gonna work.
Perfect. All right, to reiterate what we're doing, taking out these spindles here. It's one of these. If you remember, we painted them black, although we only did one coat on there. We painted them black probably the first day we were here. So we're gonna take those out. We're gonna be painting that beam black on both sides. And changing out the ceiling fan finally to something that looks more along the lines of this one. And we have not replaced the carpet yet. Trust us, that's one of the big things we're going to be doing sooner than later, so bear with us on that. But for now, we've got our work cut out for us on this, I believe, so. All right, first things first. Ceiling fan, gotta go. Bye! So this is ceiling fan number 3 out of 3 in this cabin. We haven't shown you us taking apart the other two, but we've already replaced those. They like to say that these come out very easily, but they do not, unfortunately. But crossing our fingers that this one does, because the other ones have been not good at all.
Oh, you can see the mountains from up here. Oh, that's so pretty. Awesome. Wow.
So in true fashion, we didn't buy the right thing we needed.
Yeah, we didn't get the slanty box.
Yeah, so our obviously our ceiling here is on a slope, so when you put the electrical box inside there, it raises the extending arm for the ceiling fan at an angle.
Let's see if it works. Maybe it just... Did I do it? At least it works. Looks like crap, but it works. Oh, that feels good. Next. Ow! Onward and upward.
All right, next project. All right, we're ready for round 2. Somebody's got his sunshades on. PPE. All right, let's go.
Live on News TV. Switching. Oh no.
No!
Oh God.
That's so bad.
Hey. We're just sitting in our tree house.
Maybe that's what we should theme this area.
Tree house.
We're gonna start cutting 7 more. That's all we need, 7. We're getting a lot faster at this. So. Ow! Don't warn me about that.
Girl, please. Ah! You're dangerous.
Things are getting real fun around here.
See daisies.
Well, in true fashion, we got the best of ourselves and started working a little too fast and realized at the last second that we
We had a spaghetti of
Yeah.
stuff wrong.
were like, oh, we did one side, we can do that other side in about an hour. Let's
Yeah.
make it go a lot faster. Doesn't pay to not pay attention. So
I'm tired. I'm ready to do
we're
this.
this close, this close.
Okay,
All right,
do
let's
it.
buckle down.
Bye.
No, you're still on.
Bye.
You're still on.
Ah!
Just let it run on you for a minute.
I'm gonna let it run on you for a minute. I'll run on you all day long.
We're back.
Walking into a new project. Well, actually, we're just continuing the project that we didn't finish yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're putting up the fan, and we got in the new swivel so that hopefully it will dangle like it's supposed to. Don't you just love the wiring? I think it goes with the ambiance. I think that's what we're going for. No, JK. We're gonna do a little revision. Wish us luck.
All right, here we go.
That time to tidy up the paint using some semi-gloss black. Yeah. We're gonna touch up the places where we took out the spindles, and we're gonna do the undersides of the railing and do the second coat, and then we're gonna paint the beam across the top. It's gonna really frame out the space. I'm excited to do that. Been wanting to do it since we moved in here.
And just wait until we have to bring out that ladder.
That thing weighs probably 80 pounds. I don't know. It's so ridiculously heavy, but it does the trick. It's a huge ladder, so.
I think that ladder could be its own episode, really.
Oh my God, it's painful. It's painful to watch us try to undo that one.
Let's get to work.
Yes.
All right, so we are going to be painting this beam. We can touch it here, which will be easy to paint. We can touch it here, and then it's what, a 20-foot drop?
Something like that. That's gonna be the tricky part. get on a really tall ladder in a thunderstorm.
Yeah, exactly. We just look, here we go.
Safety first. It was a little squirrely, but I think we're done. Got the battle scars, everything. Oh my god. I was sweating. My hands were clammy on that ladder. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I'm done.
Props to Todd for getting on. I don't even know how high up you were, but
It was too dang tall. Look, we got it though.
Hey, how's it looking?
that's good.
Hey, Wally. You come get me.
Hey, bud. We're done.
Yay. Give me, oh my goodness, you're giving me big kisses.
Wally says we're done. We're ready for happy hour, and we're gonna go sit on the porch for a bit and relax.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't done that, and turn your notifications on.
Yeah, exactly. And don't forget to check out toddandrob.com. We've been updating our website as we go along, so hope you enjoy it.
Our buddy.
Hey, Wally. Aw.
Aw, he's a good boy.
All right, thanks, y'all. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Big muscles.
Huh? Huh? Extender rod can hold down at an angle.
I hate ceiling fans.
All right, what are we doing now?